So welcome to lesson 2. Today's topic is getting started with your desktop. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to move around your computer screen when using Windows. So do not worry, I will explain everything in a very simple way. So what is the desktop? When you turn on your computer and log in, the first screen you see is called the desktop. So the desktop is your main working area. It is like your study table. This is where you open programs, you open files and folders. On the desktop, you will see a background picture. This is called your wallpaper. A long bar at the bottom of the screen. This one we call the taskbar. Let's talk about the taskbar. Now, the taskbar is the long bar at the bottom of your screen. It is very important because it helps you open programs quickly. It helps you switch between open windows, access the start button as well. So on the taskbar, you will see small pictures called icons. These are shortcuts to programs on your computer. Now, on the taskbar, you will find the start button. When you click the start button, the start menu will open. In the start menu, you can see a list of applications. We also call them programs. Click any application to open it. Open your setting. Find your document. Access other important tools. Think of the start menu like the main door to everything on your computer. We also have the File Explorer. On the taskbar, you will also see something called File Explorer. Many of us have been seeing this folder like this File Explorer. We don't know what it is. So File Explorer helps you view your files, open your folders, organize your documents. So if you open it and want to close it, simply click the X at the top right corner of the window. Now, opening program files and folders. On the desktop, you may see small pictures called icons. To open a program file or folders, you double click as I'm doing it. You double click 2 times quickly. When you open something, it appears in a window. Now, moving a window, how to move a window. Sometimes you may want to move a window to another place on your screen. So to move a window, you click and hold the top part of the window. Drag it to where you want it. Left, right, release the mouse. Now the window will stay in the new position. Now, let's talk about switching between windows. You can open many windows at the same time. If you have more than one window open, you can click on the window you want to use, or you click its icon on the taskbar. This helps you move quickly between different programs. Right? If you want a window to fill the whole screen, you click the small square button at the top right corner. This is called maximize. Now, if you click it again, the window will return to its normal size. When you have finished using a program, you click the X at the top right corner. This will close the window. Let's talk about using the search bar. If you cannot find something on your computer, do not worry. Right? You can use the search bar, click on the search box, start typing what you're looking for. The computer will show you results. You can search for files, you can search for settings, you can search for applications. Now, this making finding things very easy. So that's all for today. Let's just take a summary. Today we learned what the desktop is, what the taskbar does, how to use the start menu, how to open programs, how to move windows, how to maximize and close windows, how to search for files and apps. Now you understand the basics of moving around your Windows desktop. Excellent job, student. So that's the end for today's class. And please do, we also want a physical class in person. If you're interested, you can send a message on my WhatsApp on the with the number on the screen.